Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Placement Talks. So today I have received a package from Infosys. So first I thought it may be containing some of the gifts because I have joined Infosys already and it's been 5 months here. So later it came out as a welcome kit. So let me tell you that Infosys will be sending a welcome kit and you will receive that in 1 month of joining or else 6 months of joining, and also some of the friends who received the welcome kit after 1 year of joining. So let's start the unboxing of the welcome kit. So this is the box which I have received and this is the standard welcome kit. I thought in 2022 they may be changing some of the important stuffs, but they haven't changed anything. The same thing you will be receiving in 2022 also. So this is the box, Infosys abroad box. Welcome to aboard. So let's open this. So here you can see these are some of the important stuffs we received from the Infosys. So the first one is a welcome note. So they have mentioned everything like welcome to the company and some of the company informations and some of their integrity, everything they have mentioned here. So this is the beautiful, you can read it once you receive. And the first thing is a water bottle, so which has a Infosys branding and it is a patented you can say thing. So it's a little thing, you cannot carry more than 100 milliliter of the water, so it's a small tiny, but okay, it looks great. So let's keep it side. And the second thing is a diary which has the Infosys name on it. You can write some of the notes while doing the work, or you can use it for a personal use, whatever you want you can use it. The third one is a beautiful pen that also has the Infosys branding name. It's a simple pen but still looks good. And next we have, let's see what we have. Oh, I think there is something missing. Let's see what is this. Oh, this is a pocket card holder. You can carry many of the cards from this card holder, so it looks great, but something is missing because the paint, everything is coming out. I think the silver is the main color but the white thing is coming out, but it's okay, it's really good. And the last thing is this Infosys box. I don't know, this is just kind of a puzzle, but it's not a puzzle, it has Infosys information. This is a like brilliant idea. They have like thought through a unique process and they have given all the informations like their Infosys integrity, what they do, what are their values, everything in a single box. So we can also look it into the VR, so I'll show you that also. So this is the bottle, this is the diary, one holder and the box, and let's see what else. Sorry guys, that much. I thought they will be sending some of the more important and valuable stuffs, but that's it. That's really great. So this is the box which I'm talking. So here you can see this is kind of puzzle, so you can play with it. It's not like you can say Rubik's cube, but it's kind of fun while playing. So here you can see all the details about the Infosys, so I was just playing around it. So this is the what we can say C cycle, and this is the Infosys logo. Here you can see the journey about the Infosys. Here you can see they are working on AI, virtual machines, and their vision, what is the mission, everything. So that's it guys, these are the things we have received for the welcome kit. So don't worry if you not received any welcome kit yet, because you will be receiving it after 6 months, after 1 year, after 2 year also. So be patient till you receive a welcome kit. So as I said, we have received only 4 stuffs: one water bottle, one note, and one card holder, and this box. I can show you in the application also, like how you can see it in a 3D. They have given a QR code in the box. You need to scan that and download the Magic Experience application, which is AR applications. Once you have downloaded that, just open it and click on Start Experience. So it will open the camera. You need to face it above the box. Once you do that, it will recognize the Infosys and it will show the virtually Infosys logo. So it's kind of 3D. You can just scroll it, you can turn around it. That's much you can get in this. So this is kind of unique, so you can see the logo, and if you move the camera outside the box it will disappear. So that's it guys, this is the thing we have received from Infosys. If you have any doubts regarding the welcome kit or anything regarding the Infosys joining, everything you can ask in the comment section. I will be helping all of the queries. If you still have other queries, you can ask me in Instagram. The link is given in the description box. And the last, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more such related informations. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in another video.